Contractors, how do you make sure that you never have a slow month again? I mean, how do you keep your work closer to home? How do you keep your best employees working all year long and attract the kind of customers that you most want to work with while growing your business? My name is Darren Powers, and on April 22nd, we're holding a contractor marketing event. It's going to be in Wixom, and it will bring you the latest tips and tricks that are bringing in new customers and keeping your best employees. You'll also have the opportunity to be part of a community that brings in steady work throughout the year, a community that pre-screens potential customers before you receive that lead. This results in less waste, more qualified customers, while making steady and more profitable income. So now's the time to take advantage of the strong economy before it slips into another down cycle, which happens about every 8 to 10 years. It's important to grab hold of opportunity while the economic fire is still hot and burning. So if you'd like to keep your business strong and growing, I invite you to join us on Monday, April 22nd in Wixom. You can learn more at the website listed below. Thanks for watching.